Here's what I discovered. There is a different kind of hook. I did some digging for you, and I figured out ways to break the YouTube algorithm using shorts. And I've used these techniques myself, so I know they work. Number one is something I call the invisible hook. The invisible hook is something that you do within the first 2 to 3 seconds of your short. Example, here's a channel that I manage. You see her in the first 3 seconds do something that the audience finds very controversial, and they can't help but to comment about her entering her password online for the world to see. And that's what you want to do with your shorts. You want to grab attention. Number two, the engagement hook. Instruct your viewer on something that they can do within 24 hours of looking at your short. And even better still, have them to be doing it while they're watching your short. Again, in this example, she's showing the viewer how to put their name on the front screen of an iPhone. This video has over 100,000 views because more than likely, as they were watching, the viewer was attempting to put their name on the home screen of their iPhone. They watched it over and over, maybe 3 to 5 times to see all of the steps. And after watching so many times, you're more than likely going to engage. And in my recent video about restreaming on YouTube to increase your watch time, someone immediately attempted to try it and asked, can you put up videos that are already previously uploaded to YouTube, or does it have to be new videos? You want to prompt your audience to ask questions and engage. Add these strategies to your current branding and content creation and watch your shorts blow up. And if your current strategies are not working, ditch them altogether and use these. If you made it to the end of this video, I crown you an official homepreneur. Head over to my Instagram /JuteandOlive and pick up a cap, or you can pick one up at juteandolive.com. And if you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe and let me know all about it in the comments. Bye.